Today we're looking at cropping photos. When you reframe an image by trimming its borders, that's a crop. It can be used to remove unwanted background elements or to direct the viewer's focus. Cropping is done in two ways, either in camera before you hit the shutter or during the editing process. First, let's look at the latter. Here's an uncropped, full-length portrait. This stuff on the side could be distracting. We'll crop it out. Here's a basic rule that applies to both forms of cropping. Don't crop at the body's joints. It looks weird. Compare this image cropped at the knees with the same cropped at the mid-thighs. Pay attention to where the limbs are. Why is this hand not in frame? Are they reaching for something? Do they only have one hand? A crop like this distracts our attention and ruins the image. Cropping isn't just for fixing mistakes. You may simply decide that it looks better with a crop. A warning though, when cropping during the editing process, your image will lose detail. This type of crop works best when using a camera with high number of megapixels. When cropping in camera, make sure everything is where you want it to be before hitting that shutter. It might take more time setting things up, but you'll save time later in editing, and your image won't lose any detail. Rules on cropping can be broken. If it works, it works. A crop that looks like an intentional creative decision is more acceptable than one that looks like a mistake. Goodbye!